Morning, market movers for Monday, November 25th, 2013. Not a whole lot of activity this morning. We're getting close to the end of the year. The Iran nuclear halt, if you will, or delay is a better way to describe it, over the weekend was a bit of a positive. We were showing the futures for the Dow up about 60 points. However, we only opened up about 30, and now we're basically flat. So although the NASDAQ surpassed 4,000 for the first time in a very long time this morning, it didn't hold so far, and basically that index is flat at slightly below 4,000 right now. So kind of a quiet open. Not a whole lot of activity, not a whole lot of economic data to look at least so far today. We'll have more information later as we get deeper into the week, but the Iran deal, basically all it does is halt their nuclear material production for 6 months in exchange for lesser sanctions. I think a lot of congressional Republicans are probably not going to be all that supportive of this deal. From what I've read, a lot of people don't think it really accomplishes much, but it was touted over the weekend as being a positive. It's not really helping the stock market today either, but it did get released over the weekend and did look like somewhat of a positive, and it is progress. Apparently the administration has been in talks for several months leading up to this, so there's been a lot of work that's gone into this. So there may be more details I haven't seen yet, but from the surface anyway, it just looks like a 6-month delay, after which I'm not sure what happens. Do they go back to the same level of production? Do they increase it? Are sanctions going to be actually increased as a result of this? We don't know. So anyway, the market's not reacting too much to that so far today. I did write an article about end of the year planning, tax planning, and that sort of thing, portfolio management, what to do if you're concerned about a pullback but you have capital gains, and that'll be posted to my website at craigdallen.com here shortly. So if you're interested in that information, please take a look. Everything on there is free at this point. Thanks for listening, and we'll continue on later this week.